Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is our Shopify series and we will discuss 5 reasons to choose Shopify theme for your e-commerce business in this video. Choosing an e-commerce theme for your Shopify store can be a daunting task, especially if you are not experienced with website design. If you are web designer, then this is not a headache for you, and if you are a beginner and don't know about web designing, then this is a very difficult to choose a right theme for your store. It's important to note that there are hundreds of different themes in the Shopify theme store, but they are not all created equal. Some are better than other and will help you sell more products online, and some are better suited to specify niche. This video is going to focus on 5 reasons why you should choose a Shopify theme for your commerce business. Justify your requirements, your needs, and what you want by your e-commerce store. Then decide a theme which is best for your requirements. The purpose of our Shopify store creating is building a site that represents your brand your way. It's number one, your product or service is amazing, right? Number two is you want to sell your products anyone, anywhere, anytime. Number three is unify your operations. It means your all operation will occur, will perform on a single page, on a single website. Number four is take advantage of marketing tools. Your theme uh, will match online marketing tools because uh, daily new marketing tools are developed and they are very useful. They have a lots of advantages uh, in present and in future. They all tools make very easy to you to your products share on website and other places, select products, manage products, and everything. Number five is keep everything running smoothly. uh, if you have select a wrong theme, then you will face many problems, many issues. We should keep everything smooth. Your theme will be such that you can manage everything very fast and very easy. So this uh, there are a lot of themes provided by Shopify. Just select a theme which can fulfill your requirements and also your payment methods, payment gateways, and it should be placed for your products. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel.